Hello, and thank you for your interest in my Arizona Trail series of 2019. The plan is to hike from the border of Utah and Arizona to the border of Mexico along the Arizona Trail. This is about 788 miles, so just shy of 800. Should take about 40 to 45 days, and I will be hiking with a close friend of mine from back home in New York, Medicine Man. He hiked the Pacific Crest Trail last year, 2018. He is a travel nurse in his occupation. We knew each other from playing lacrosse together in college, and we both grew up in central New York. So he will be joining me for this hike. I'm pretty excited about that, and he's also actually the main reason I'm doing this hike. I was planning on right after the CDT, which I just finished, to go home, but if I'm able to hike with a friend for a while, then that's my motivation to get on this trail and go. So the two of us will be taking on this trail starting in roughly mid-October. I think probably the 11th will be our first day, and hoping to complete it in decent time without getting caught in too much weather, or hopefully without any big injuries. We both have come to the conclusion that this is definitely going to be for fun. So if any time we stop having fun, assuming we didn't put too much work into the trail yet, we can always turn back if we don't like it. There's no pressure or strings attached or anything like that. So we will see how it goes. But without any rambling continuing on, that's about it. So that's your introduction to the Arizona Trail, and we expect to begin in a couple days, with our first section being about 70 miles to get us to the Grand Canyon. So thanks for checking in for the series, and I hope you enjoy it.